Narrator, serious tone. For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has been called the Devil's Triangle, a mysterious stretch of ocean where ships vanish, planes disappear, and thousands of lives are lost without a single trace. But in 2026, scientists have uncovered shocking new evidence that may finally explain what has been hiding beneath these deadly waters. Part 1. The mystery begins. Narrator. Between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico lies a region of ocean covering nearly 500,000 square miles. Here, history is filled with chilling tales. In 1945, Flight 19, a squadron of U.S. Navy bombers, vanished into thin air. Search planes sent after them also lost. Cargo ships, private yachts, even passenger aircraft all disappeared without a single distress call. For decades, theories ranged from giant sea monsters to alien abductions to secret underwater bases. But scientists never agreed on one explanation until now. Part 2. 2026 New Discovery. Narrator, excited. In early 2026, an international research team launched a mission called Project Neptune. Using advanced underwater drones and AI-powered sonar, they mapped the ocean floor of the Bermuda Triangle more precisely than ever before. What they found shocked even the most skeptical scientists. At a depth of nearly 10,000 feet, researchers discovered massive methane gas craters releasing violent underwater eruptions. These sudden bursts create powerful bubbles that reduce water density, making ships instantly lose buoyancy and sink without warning. But that's not all. They also detected abnormal electromagnetic disturbances strong enough to scramble plane instruments, erase compasses, and even disrupt satellite signals. This could finally explain why pilots often report their equipment going haywire moments before disappearing. Part 3. Alien Connection. Narrator, mysterious tone. Yet, the story doesn't end there. Among the shocking data, AI sensors picked up unusual geometric structures buried deep beneath the ocean floor. Some researchers believe these may be ancient ruins, possibly linked to the legendary lost city of Atlantis. Others argue the formations are too perfect, too advanced, suggesting not human origin, but something extraterrestrial. Could the Bermuda Triangle actually be an interdimensional gateway, a hotspot for UFO activity? Part 4. Real Testimony. Narrator. In February 2026, a commercial pilot flying from Miami to San Juan reported his cockpit screens flickering violently. The plane's compass spun uncontrollably, and GPS signals cut out for 7 minutes. Passengers described a glowing mist outside the windows. Then suddenly, without explanation, the plane reappeared on radar to 80 miles off its original course. The pilot's testimony, along with black box data, is now part of a growing investigation that could rewrite everything we know about the Bermuda Triangle. Part 5. What scientists say. Narrator. Dr. Elena Martinez, lead scientist of Project Neptune, states, "For the first time in history, we have physical evidence that the Bermuda Triangle is not just a myth. It is a powerful combination of geological, magnetic, and possibly even unknown cosmic forces at work. NASA has even confirmed unusual energy readings above the triangle, unexplained pulses that may link Earth's oceans to outer space." Part 6. The future of the Bermuda Triangle. Narrator, dramatic. So what does this mean for the future? Will ships and planes ever travel safely through the Bermuda Triangle? Governments are now funding new research missions, and rumors suggest even SpaceX is interested in testing advanced craft in this mysterious zone. But one thing is clear, the Bermuda Triangle is no longer just a tale of ghost ships and legends. It is a living, breathing scientific mystery, one that has finally begun to unravel in 2026. Closing scene. Ocean fades into black. Suspenseful music rises. Narrator. Final words. Perhaps the Bermuda Triangle is warning us of forces beyond our comprehension. Or maybe it holds the key to unlocking secrets about our planet and the universe. One thing is certain, the Bermuda Triangle still has stories left to tell. Please like and share and subscribe.